All right, here we go. Blue Ridge Parkway snow hike. Road closed. So we get to hike it. Should be fun. There's the old ranger cabin. The sun's trying to poke out. Some tree damage from the storms. The government shutdown. They haven't been able to get out here and clean it up. Look at this one. They have some work to do. All right, we're about a mile in. Still snowing. Starting to clear up a little over here. Check out this tree damage. A lot of down trees on the parkway. Miles in. Another 3 miles to get there. Gotta be halfway there now. It's beautiful. Rime ice and snow, clouds on top of the Waterrock. Beautiful, so quiet. I think that's my destination right up there. 1,000 feet now. You can see the balsam trees and the firs. Came to a clearing here. Sun's starting to peek out. See the beautiful snow-covered mountain. Beautiful sight. Check out the smoke coming through. Pretty incredible. Winter Wonderland. Coming up on a woolly back overlook. 5,400. Check out the clouds whipping around here. I'd be willing to bet the wind chill has got to be 0 or in the negatives, but I'm just about there. Can't quit now. Here we go. The last ascent to the top. Made it to the top. That hike is not for the faint of heart. Hopefully downhill's a little easier. I'm gonna post up here and have a little lunch. As it really opened up. See some sun, blue skies, you can see the mountains. Just following my footprints back down. Well, it feels like a total different day coming back. Sun's out. It's melting a lot of the day. Sun's out, snow melted. Ready to get back home, get some lunch.